September breeze, whisper in the air, lips begin to turn, golden auburn flare. Sun start to retreat, gentle chilly scents, summer's with defeat, a new season transcends. In my heart, the warmth still holds its way, memories of sunshine chase the shadows away. September born, a heart both kind and strong, with a love for change, a restless searching mind. Now the year has passed, the chapters come to close, a woven thread of moments, with joy and woes. In my soul, sun still shines so bright, vibrant in her light, day and night. September born, a heart was strong and kind, with a love for change, restless searching mind. Now the year has passed, chapters come to close, woven thread of moments, woven with joy. From the shores of my dreams to the street where I roam, September spirit guides me, never feel alone. I embrace the changing season with a smile and song, for I know that life's journey where I always belong. From the shores of my dream to the street where I roam, September spirit guides me, never feel alone. I embrace the changing seasons with a smile and a song, for I know that life's journey where I belong.